Friends, stop scrolling now. If you often stay up until 3 a.m., wolfing down burgers and fries before rushing to the bathroom, or spraying your ankles at the gym, and are now collapsed on the sofa, this video can absolutely save your life. Let me tell you, BPC 157, it's like your body's emergency repair secret. You'll thank me. First of all, let me clarify, I'm not here to sell any products. I'm a peptide fanatic and a hands-on tester, creating GHRP, all sorts of peptides I've tried. Today, I'm going to share the secret of BPC 157. This stuff is on a completely different level from those useless health scams. Have you ever had that nightmarish experience? Deadlifting to heavy a weight and spraying your back. Even going down the stairs is a struggle. You have to hunch over like an old man, wolfing down a double cheeseburger, a huge plate of fries, and a milkshake. And soon after, you collapse in the bathroom, so weak you can barely stand. However, BPC 157 can alleviate these symptoms, allowing our bodies to recover faster. To put it simply, BPC 157 isn't some lab-synthesized super magic. It's a short-chain peptide naturally found in the stomach lining. Think of it as your body's built-in repair mechanism. But honestly, we're all overworked, eating junk food, and burning out our energy. So this mechanism's batteries are completely depleted. We need to recharge it. Here's the key point. This stuff works everywhere. First, for fast food lovers and coffee addicts. Frankly, our digestive systems are more demanding than any luxurious skincare routine. A cold brewed coffee can cause acid reflux. A spicy burrito can cause hours of pain. And working late into the night can make your stomach protest. BPC 157 is like a top-tier conditioner for your guts, repairing damaged stomach lining, suppressing inflammation, and stopping the chaos. I tried it for a week. Before, iced coffee would give me diarrhea, but now drinking an iced latte is as easy as drinking water. It's a lifesaver for busy office workers and those with irregular eating habits. Next up, fitness enthusiasts and weekend workout lovers, this is for you. Twisted your ankle playing basketball, strained your hamstrings while weightlifting, knee pain from hiking or running? BPC 157 stimulates collagen production, essentially repairing your joints and ligaments well, also reducing inflammation. And wound healing is revolutionary. Before, if you accidentally cut your hand, it would take a week to scab over, leaving an unsightly scar. But BPC 157 helps wounds heal quickly, scabbing over in just 3 days, no scars, no redness, nothing at all. I know what you're thinking, peptides sound complicated. No, the science is simpler than baking bread. Let me explain with 3 analogies. First, it's like a signalman. When your body is injured, repair cells are essentially in a state of inactivity. BPC 157 acts like a whistle, shouting, "Get to work. We have repair work to do." Suddenly, all those sluggish cells rush to the damaged area, initiating the repair process. Secondly, it's like a repairman. It's a short peptide with an extremely simple structure, so it can intervene immediately and repair itself. A torn stomach lining? It's like a band-aid for the intestines. Cartilage worn thin? It tells your body to produce more collagen, restoring the cartilage's thickness. Thirdly, it's practically a firefighter. Inflammation is like a small fire that ignites after an injury. But if it continues to burn for too long, it can also burn healthy tissue. BPC 157 extinguishes this fire by inhibiting inflammatory chemicals, creating a clean environment conducive to healing and preventing the condition from worsening. To learn more about health science, remember to follow me. Which peptide product would you like to see next? Leave a comment below.